Hello, my dear student. Assalamu alaikum. Very good evening to you. Hope so you all are fine and enjoying good health at home. My this video lecture is related to English subject, and today your topic is I can find words. So let's open your book page number 55. Here you can see some words are given here with letter A and A. These are CBC words which you have read it already. So you have to listen and circle the correct words. Kha at a cat, d and dance, at a sat, ha and hen, p and pen, p egg a peg, f and fan, ja jam. You have to read all these words. Next you can see here. Next, some CVC words are given here with a complete sentence. You have to read it. First of all, here is a sentence. This is a hen. Okay, so you have to read CVC word. Which one is here? Ha and hen. This one is here. You have to make a picture hen in the given box. Next, this is a hat. You have to make a hat. Ha at a hat. This is a net. You have to make a net here. This is a leg. You have to make a leg picture here. This is a peg. Pa egg a peg. This is CVC words. Read it and make a picture here. This is a keg. This is a bed. This is a pen. So you have to make all these pictures. After this, now come on your next page. That one is 5656. Here circle. Here you have to circle the words for the given pictures, and you have to write it in the given boxes. First one is bed, hen, peg, den, pen, wed, and pet, leg, wet. So you have to find out these words from the given boxes, and you have to circle. Like one is circle here but at a bed. You have to find out the spelling the and den and write it with the given boxes. Ha and hen, and write this word with the given picture. Leg you have to find out, and then write it with the given pictures. Were at a wet, were at a wet, pa at a pet. Find out all these words and write with the given pictures. Okay, do it by yourself, and take care of yourself. Wait for my next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.